Hello and welcome everyone. In today's video I will show you how to stop DM requests from strangers on Instagram. To do that is really simple. You have just to go to Instagram, open the app, and after that go and click on your picture on the bottom right of the screen. After that go and click on the three lines on the top right of the screen. After that, scroll down until you find messages and story replies. Go to message requests, and here who can send you message requests, just change it to no one, and like that no one can send you a message request, but your friends on Instagram, like the people that you are following and they are following you back, you can still be messaging together without any problems. I hope that you like this video. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, to like this video, and see you in the next one.